Let's apply for our first job. Answer the employer questions, including whether you have the skills required for the position and the maximum educational level you have completed. In the next form, ensure your resume is attached and add a cover letter and any additional supporting documents before you save. Congrats again. Preview your application and hit the submit button. While you await a response, you can view and manage your pending applications and view other jobs through your dashboard.